Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Char on this lovely Friday. I'm coming to you because I have a new product I am so excited about trying. It is by Barrymore and it is the Beautiful brand, which I do love the title of that. And it is her 12 by 22 extra large electric griddle, you guys. And this is the extra large family size cooking surface. That's what that has there, the free non-stick coating for healthy cooking. Detachable stainless steel backsplash, slim design for easy cabinet storage, and fully immersible for easy cleaning. It is saying that you can put this machine directly into water, which I don't know if I ever tried that, but this is what it looks like outside of the box. That is the backsplash that you can move and add. I'm gonna have Joshua pick that up. Okay, yeah, so that you can move. You can see I have some oil there because they told us to oil the okay, yes, that you can move and replace, as you can see what Joshua just helped me do. This is the surface of it, all right? And I love the front of it because it's got her beautiful B for beautiful. And this is the dripping tray to catch all of the oil that you cook, all of the oil, and that's a little slotted area where that will go in to catch all of the oils and the fat. And it's a beautiful color. This is like a bronze, like a gold B. I love that, and it's got gold on the side here. This is the warmer area where you can do warm all the way up. It goes all the way up to 400, you all. And I am so excited about cooking with this today. So we're gonna get started before this dog gets to barking like crazy. But I wanted to let you know they do come in other beautiful colors. They come in gray, green, black, dark gray, and white, okay, like this cream color. All right, so let's get started. What I've already done, I've turned it to 400 and I put some kind of lard. You can put vegetable lard or you can do fat, some type of animal fat if you want to do bacon lard. Put it on the griddle, let it get steamy all the way up to 400, let it get hot, and then turn it off and then let it sit till it cools off, wipe it off, and that is supposed to prepare the griddle, okay? I'm so excited. We're gonna make the Ube pancake waffles. We're going to do some bacon here, and I even have some hot dogs we're gonna open up, put on that grill, and child, we're gonna do some eggs. So let's get this started. You guys stay tuned. Let me get this grill hot and get this pancake mixer going, and we can get started seeing how this griddle performs, all right? Stay tuned. I have the Ube pancake mix going on here. Mommy's gonna help me. And now this is getting hot. It's on 350. So now what we're gonna start, we're gonna take a fourth of this mix, 1/4 cup of this mix. Okay, we have 1/4 cup of this mix, and I'm gonna put it, the pancake right there. Just like so. It's a little thick. We're gonna let that just, that's one pancake. This is what I love about it. You don't have to do only one at a time, child. You can get in here and put a bunch of pancakes on here. So we're going one pancake, we got 2 pancake going here. And it's very hot. Let me tell you. Ooh, it's hot. Josh, you feel that? Yeah, it's hot. We're gonna see how it does because they said do it at 350. Okay, so we're gonna put the other pancake here. We got 3 pancakes so far. We're gonna knock the pancakes out. This is a pretty nice size griddle too. All right, you all, so we got 6 on there. So far, they look pretty good. That purple is such a beautiful color. Okay, and then after this, we're going to do the bacon and then a hot dog. I'm just trying everything on here. All right, you all. So it looks like it's doing pretty good. So now let's go in here and flip it. Flip it. Need a little help flipping. Beautiful. All right. Look at them. They look so good, you guys. I'm loving this machine. And I love that it has this little backsplash. Just keep it wiping. It's just, I love that you can even slide things down to this little hole. Mommy, you got a plate ready? But it looks fantastic, you all. So once I take these off, we're going to put on the bacon and the sausage and see how it does with that. So far, it is doing great. And you guys, go out and get your Ube pancake mix because now it is available at Trader Joe's, you all. So there we go, the Ube pancake mix, and that is it on the griddle. All right, you all. So we're gonna put some bacon on here. Y'all can see how nice and hot that is. That is ready to go. Beautiful, nice and hot. It's cooking very fast.
I can't wait to pass the sausage.
Let me wipe my hands real quick and clean them because I don't want to cross-contaminate.
Now I'm going to have to buy that sausage from Walmart. You're going to have to put that on here.
Now we're going to take this and we're going to put these hot dogs right there, child. Okay? It seems like this end is more hotter than this end. Would you say that, Doctor? Well, we'll see. And what's so wonderful about this, we have one more pancake left, child. We're going to put that pancake right there. This is so much fun. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Looks like the sausage got a little bit of ube on it. It's sitting over on there, but hold on one moment. Let me get all that ube out of there, mama. This is so fun. And what I love about it, if you don't feel like standing over the stove, child, summer is coming. No one feels like standing over the stove. You can get hot dogs out of the way. You can get hamburgers here. You've got the onions, bell peppers, what people like on their hamburgers going on. I'm telling you, it is awesome. Okay? Ooh, that bacon's browning quick, so I'm gonna flip it just so I can keep it even, okay? I'm gonna flip the bacon so we can keep it even, but y'all see it's cooking this bacon fast. Just so it can get even and it's not burned. Okay? There we go. And it is hot, y'all. Hot, hot, hot. And we got that delicious little hot dog in there. Let me wipe off some of the pancake mix that on the hot dog. So now we're going to check these sausages. But first, let me flip this little pancake. All right, let's give her a little flip. She's doing good there. Okay. It cooks really fast, y'all. Look how it's already brown in that. I'm just going to flip this, but I'm going to flip it back over. But just to give it an even, look how it's already brown in that. Right? Now we're going to flip the bacon back over again. Just to get that bacon even, y'all. It cooked this bacon so fast. Oh my goodness. This one's coming off. Look how he looks. We got to put him on some paper towel. So now what we're going to do, we're going to flip these sausages back over so they can get a nice browning. And they're blistering a little bit. I'm going to wipe this off very carefully, and then we're going to add some eggs. So you guys stay tuned. Did we forget about the joy of having this to be able to catch all of that oil? So I'm gonna bring that over, and that is catching all of that oil, y'all. We're gonna bring that down. It's gonna be easy to wipe so you can get to the next thing you want to cook. All right, you all. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add a little bit more olive oil, and we're going to put the egg in here. Mommy already has the egg ready for me because, y'all, when we crack the egg, she is not a fan of the umbilical cord. That's what we call it. And she is not a fan of that. So she picks that out of her egg. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead on, put that on there, and we're going to toss this little egg on there. Just like so. Ooh, y'all hear that? Oh, that sounds wonderful. Doesn't it? All right. Look at that egg. That looks good. Ma, you got salt and pepper? I need to put a little bit more yogurt sitting right there. Okay. I'm going to add the other egg here. And another egg. And there we go.
Get out of her.
She's so funny.
Inflation got her.
Alrighty. Okay, so that egg is going pretty good, y'all. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. And if you wanted to move the egg around and you didn't want it that way, okay, you can move it around here. Look at that. Look how, yeah, I'm sure Joshua's gonna want one. Yeah, look at that, y'all. Oh, nicey-picey. That is so nice. I love that. Beautiful. It's not going to take long for that egg to get done at all. You all, look at that. Okay. We like our eggs to look like that. Look how beautiful it did that egg. We're gonna go ahead on and put it over here with that bacon. And I love how you can just slide that egg over and it's ready to go, especially for those of you who like your eggs a little runny. Okay, and you can do the salt and pepper afterwards. All right, and so now what we're going to do, okay, another egg, let me get this one off. I'm gonna flip it a little bit. Just like so. It holds a, man, you can get listen, you can get breakfast done within 15 minutes. Knocking all of this stuff out. I mean, this is amazing. We have another egg here. We have not used any more oil, so we're gonna go ahead and throw that egg on there. And mommy said, oh, okay, that one did a little run, but that's okay. Look, caught it. All right, you all, and we are done with this. This is amazing, so amazing. So far, I love the griddle. So far, this is my first time ever using it. I love the fact that it has that backsplash. Also to stop all whatever the little grease splatters, but then also if you need to flip something, you can use that as support to flip, back it up and then flip it, whatever it is you're trying to flip. So I do love that as well. And it even cooks, y'all. Look at this. I didn't add any more oil to this, and this is the third egg, and that's what we want to try to do. Avoid using so much oil, but if you do use oil, you want to use a healthy oil, okay? A healthy grass-fed butter, olive oil, or avocado oil. So we're gonna go in here and let that continue to cook just like so. All right, you all, so that egg is almost done. We flip that over. Look at that egg. That was so quick and easy. Got that right there, and then the hot dogs are done. Next time we're gonna do burgers. See, I like mine's crust like that. But this is fantastic. And then I'm just gonna show you all how easy it is just to wipe this off, which all the grills, which I'm just happy. Just make sure that you don't bump your arm up against that that hot surface back there. But if you need to keep going, child, put some potatoes on here, some country fried potatoes on here, child, you can keep going. That's what I love about it. And so it goes up to 400. And we absolutely love it. And this is what all it did today. Look at that. This is what all it cooked today. Look at that bacon. It's beautiful. Okay, Mom, where's the pancakes? Okay, we got all that done. I got this done within 20 minutes, would y'all say? About 20 minutes. She got it done versus being at the oven. You gotta do this. Child, she got everything done on one. Woo-wee. Y'all, look at that. And so now it is bon appetit time. All right, you all, want to show you before we go back to the ending what this grill looks like once you close it up. So it caught all the fat. I made sure I cleaned that out. I made sure I cleaned this part out too as well. Get under there to make sure all the little crumbs and everything is out. So that is the drip tray. And this, of course, you can take this off if you don't want that. Wrap it up. Or you can leave it and just store it away. And that is the beautiful extra large electric griddle. All right, you all, that's what it looks like on the box. And that's what it looks like in person. And the green one is really pretty, you guys. I love the green ones too. They have really pretty colors. All right, so that is it. So now we're gonna go back to the ending. Okay, and I want to show you the plug part. So it goes from 250, 300, 350 to 400 and then off. Okay, and you just insert that in on the side and you're good to go. Turn it on the temperature you need and you're good to go. I hope you all enjoyed this review on the beautiful 12 by 22 extra large electric griddle by Drew Barrymore. You all, oh my goodness, I am loving this griddle so far, and we're gonna give it a couple of weeks, see how we like it. And so far it did fantastic. So I'm gonna turn this off now because she is done. She's gonna turn that off. All right, y'all, so that is everything right here. We got done within like 20 minutes. That's my kind of party, okay? So let's look at it again and just to see how it evenly cooked everything. Some round country sausages will be on good on this too, y'all. Country fried potatoes, hamburger, steak. You can knock it out with so much stuff. All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning into Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you, and you all can come and check me out and see what I am doing. Thank you so much. Take care of one another. Be kind and loving to one another. And remember, always trust God, keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. Bon appetit. Before we leave, can y'all see? Look at all of that fat that it caught. This is awesome. So far, 2 thumbs up.